Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix my Rogers app not loading problem. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on my Rogers app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option, and now tap on clear cache, as well as tap on clear data, and now tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app. And the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom, and then tap on search bar on the top, and here type my Rogers, and now search it. Now you should have to tap on the update button option. You will see update button, so update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.